super awkward. Majorly awkward. Majorly awkward. All right, let's stop this baby. Ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to Dumbo. Welcome to Brooklyn. And welcome to another vloggy vlog as I'm casually strolling to my motor bicycle. Walking past scenic Dumbo, as always. And we're about to play a game called Will It Start? Last time I played this game, I didn't exactly win any prizes. My performance, or my bike's performance. But I know how to start. Psh. Anyway, here we are. Here we are. Let's give it a shot. Are we recording? Oh, that's a beautiful thing. Come on, baby. Why? I'm not trying to have trouble here. Why are we having an issue? There we go. And now it did start. Haha. After playing with the key for 10 minutes, the bike did start. There's always something. There's always a situation. My baby's getting old and it's getting entirely too sensitive, kind of like me. All right, let me unzip my jacket a little bit. It actually is 80 degrees. I thought it was gonna be 65 or so like it's supposed to be, but the sun's out, the gun's out, the dog's out. Excuse me, sir. Let me just squeeze on by here as I make sure there's no cars. Last thing we want is la trafique. Turn off the blinker. I'm exposing my back to everybody. My ass is literally just hanging out. What are we doing here, bro? Lady. What do we got here? A little La Trafique. We shall go around. Those folks are like, yeah, sure, let's hold up everybody at the green light just so one dude can get in. Savagery. Beautiful. Beautifully done. There's a lot of obstacles. There's a lot of obstacles that you have to operate around, you know? And it's okay. We're gonna make it. We are going to survive. I just had a cheeseburger with french fries. All right, from now on, I'm gonna ride really nice, okay? I'm gonna make one more spicy move, and then we're gonna ride like really casually. I'm gonna ride really relaxedly. I don't see any pole, so we can do one of these maneuvers. It's totally fine. Here we go. Bum bum. And we just tuck in like this. Haha. Oh man, the temperature. I cannot wait. Oh man, I cannot wait to go for a ride upstate where you can just be cruising, going like 60, 65 in the sun, in the warmth. But for now, I'll just fucking lane split. Sorry, bro. Cut all this out. And here we are, back on the vlog, or whatever is left of it, as we catch up to 2 cops, and I realized that I need to put it back in my pants, put it back in my pants. I gotta relax and put it back in my pants. Taxi from Newark, New Jersey, those people are lost. Whoa, the tires are still new. Felt like I broke traction there for a second. But I doubt it. I highly doubt it. Oh man, the temperature is delicious. Most delicious temperature. Yo, they got a fucking the Punisher sticker on the truck. You know what that means? Dun dun dun. The sheriff, this fucking FDNY bro, is going way too slow. Is he gonna get off at this exit? Probably. And there we go. Here we are, my bros, here we are. As we try to make our way ahead. Sorry everybody. There we go. Awkward. Super awkward. Majorly awkward. Majorly awkward. Alright, let's stop this baby. Majorly awkward, bro. Majorly awkward. Oh, this baby is balanced so well. You can go 1 mile per hour and not fall over. Probably not though. Look at these people. This lady just doesn't give a fuck. She's like, yo, I'm gonna block the sidewalk, the walkway, just so I can pull out. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye bye.